Hi, my name is Matthew Wafula, and I'm the Green Specialist at Don Bosco TVET Africa, coordinating all the green clubs.
The project has organized awareness creation and training to promote best green practices that will promote green campuses, green community, and green culture.
We want to help mitigate the effects of climate change on our land, as well as improving the social economic conditions of our people. Since 2021, we have reached over 3,000 students and more than 6,000 community members. Let's work together and make it green.